We've got a problem with our train. We hope your temper you'll restrain. If you're planning to get to your work, I'm afraid you might be out of luck. 'Cause we're sorry for causing so much worry. Our driver's eyes are blurry, so there are no trains today. 'Cause it's raining, the results have been quite draining. Now the staff all need retraining, so there are no trains today. Now leaves have fallen on the line, we just won't get to you on time. We'd like to keep to our timetable, but it's turning out to be a fable. 'Cause it's icy, too dicey for the trains to travel nicely, and accidents are pricey, so there are no trains today. We're sorry for causing so much worry. The points have jammed, the lights are red. You could have had more time in bed. We're sorry, so sorry. We know you're in a hurry, but the train's still at the terminus. It's not too late to take the bus. Now the train for North is heading south. We've heard it all by word of mouth. The train for East is heading west. We're really trying to do our best. But we're sorry. Now our train has hit a lorry. The result has been quite gory, so there are no trains today. Now the rail's too hot, the track's too cold. The lines are down, or so we're told. The drivers have all gone on strike. The passengers can't take a hike, and the rising fares has got you beat. You're paying more, but still no seat. Fed up with these cancellations, are causing too much consternation. Still sorry, so sorry.